Are you ready to turn your child's tech dream into a reality? Do you want to unlock your child's potential with an intense tech training? Welcome to Schoolville, where young tech minds are empowered. This summer at Schoolville, we will be offering a dynamic curriculum that will be covering a wide range in coding, game development, game design, Roblox, robotics, Scratch, and many more. This program is designed to be both educational and fun, sparking curiosity and creativity in every lesson. This program is a 4-week program that has 2 cohorts. The first cohort is from the 8th of July to the 26th of July, and the second cohort is from the 5th of August to the 30th of August. Our trainings are led by industry experts who will ensure that your child gains practical skills and knowledge. Our instructors have a passion for teaching and will surely create an engaging learning environment for your child. You can choose in-person classes or decide to learn from the comfort of your home.
Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Enroll your child in the Schoolville Summer Skills program today and watch them soar to new heights. For more inquiries, kindly visit our website at www.schoolville.com. Spaces are limited, so secure your spots now.